real estate agents, they have a lot of funky deductions, right?
I don't like to label any deduction as funky, right?
Well, so I'm not a CPA, so I can label them funky.
So, I mean, one of the biggest takeaway from this, our conversation is like no deduction is really funky unless we actually take a look at it, right?
Yeah.
So say, for example, I'm over here trying to do this recording with you.
Right.
So I had to actually extend my stay in Dallas for a night, right?
Yeah.
Now, if IRS is looking at my tax return, they can be like, hey, it was pleasure. But really, this is work.
Right. It is work.
Right. So the thing is, in my firm, the way I founded my firm is we are advisors. We are not like your typical CPA. Like I said early on, it's like, just dump the packet and we make a tax. We don't do that. We don't entertain clients like that. So my thing is, if there is an expense, let's take attorneys, for example, right? They have to wine and dine and a lot of meals and entertainment, right? But that is a necessary part of conducting a business. Even in our industry.
Absolutely.
We have to wine and dine, meet clients and stuff like that. So what constitutes a typical valid business deduction, right? IRS might disagree, but that's where we come in and be like, hey, this is actually valid, right? And the same thing, you call different CPAs and their time is coming to an end. A lot of entrepreneurial CPA coming in because they know the market requires us to be more than just number crunchers.
Yes.
It wants us to be advisors.